Home design in 2026 is moving in a new direction, one that's more personal, meaningful, and emotionally connected than ever before. This year's biggest home trend is not about grand architecture or flashy colors. Instead, it's about creating calm, comfortable, and balanced spaces that feel like a true reflection of who you are. Designers call it mindful luxury, a blend of simplicity, sophistication, and soul. It's the kind of design that invites peace into your life while still looking elegant and modern. One, calm and neutral color palettes. One of the biggest features of 2026's design trend is the use of soft, neutral colors that create a relaxing environment. Shades like beige, ivory, beige, taupe, and muted pastels dominate walls, furniture, and decor. These tones create harmony and allow natural light to shine beautifully throughout your home. Adding small hints of earthy tones like terracotta, sage green, or dusty blue brings balance and warmth without overpowering the calm atmosphere. This approach helps your home feel serene and timeless, a space where you can truly unwind after a long day. 2. Natural materials and organic textures. Nature is at the heart of 2026 home design. From wooden floors and stone accents to linen curtains and rattan furniture, designers are bringing the outdoors in. The goal is to make interiors feel grounded and authentic. Natural materials age beautifully and carry a sense of craftsmanship that synthetic materials lack. Whether it's a wooden dining table with visible grain or hand-woven jute rugs, each piece tells a story. Pairing these organic textures with soft fabrics creates warmth and comfort, turning your home into a peaceful sanctuary. 3. Minimalism with personality. Minimalism is evolving. The new minimalist home isn't cold or empty. It's full of quiet personality. Every item has meaning, and clutter is replaced with carefully chosen pieces that reflect your lifestyle. Think of it as purposeful minimalism. Clean lines, simple layouts, and open spaces balanced with cozy elements like plush throws, soft lighting, and personalized art. Instead of filling your home with many items, invest in fewer, high-quality pieces that make a statement without creating chaos. 4. Soft, ambient lighting. Lighting is one of the most transformative elements in home design, and in 2026, the trend is all about creating soft, layered illumination. Instead of harsh overhead lights, homes now use a mix of lamps, wall sconces, and pendant lights to create a cozy glow. Warm lighting around 2,700 K makes spaces feel intimate and elegant. The right lighting highlights textures, enhances wall colors, and adds depth to your room. A well-lit home not only looks luxurious, but also feels more welcoming and soothing. 5. Sustainable and eco-conscious design. Sustainability is no longer optional, it's a lifestyle. Homeowners are choosing materials and decor that are kind to the environment, such as bamboo flooring, recycled wood, and eco-friendly paints. Solar lighting, energy-efficient windows, and water-saving fixtures are becoming standard features in modern homes. Beyond materials, it's about creating spaces that encourage mindful living, less waste, more longevity. The idea is to build a home that looks beautiful today but remains relevant and responsible for years to come. 6. Curved lines and soft shapes. Harsh, rigid furniture is being replaced by smooth, organic shapes. Sofas, chairs, mirrors, and even doorways are embracing curves to create a sense of flow and relaxation. These soft forms feel more natural and approachable, bringing elegance without sharpness. Curved furniture also pairs beautifully with minimalist interiors. It breaks the monotony of straight lines, adding visual comfort and sophistication. Whether it's a round coffee table or an arched doorway, these small details make a big design impact. 7. Statement art and wall finishes. Art has become more expressive in 2026's home trends. Instead of overcrowding walls, homeowners are choosing one or two statement pieces that define the space. Abstract paintings, textured wall panels, or large murals bring a personal touch to modern homes. Accent walls with plaster, lime wash, or 3D molding are gaining popularity. These finishes create depth and texture without overpowering the room. The goal is to let your walls tell a story, subtle, elegant, and unique. 8. Smart technology with style. Technology now blends seamlessly into home design. Smart lighting, voice-controlled thermostats, and hidden charging stations are becoming the new normal. However, the trend in 2026 focuses on integrating these features subtly so they enhance the home's design instead of distracting from it. Imagine curtains that adjust automatically with sunlight or a mirror that displays weather updates, functionality wrapped in luxury. The future of home design is smart, but it's also stylish. 9. Biophilic design and indoor greenery. Bringing nature indoors is another major focus this year. Plants not only purify the air but also add life, color, and freshness to your space. From large potted trees in living rooms to hanging plants in kitchens, greenery helps create a calm and refreshing environment. Vertical gardens and plant walls are becoming statement features in modern homes. Combined with natural light and organic textures, they add energy and vibrancy, reminding us of the connection between home and nature. 10. Personalized comfort and functionality. 2026 is the year of personalization. Homes are now designed around how people live, not just how they look. Spaces are becoming multifunctional. Living rooms that double as reading corners, kitchens with breakfast nooks, and bedrooms that serve as private retreats. It's about creating comfort that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's a cozy armchair by the window or custom shelves for your favorite books, personal touches make your home feel truly yours. Luxury in 2026 means living beautifully but also living comfortably. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional interior design tips. Thank you for watching.